Oh, there's hail. We got hail.
Oh, was it big?
No, yes, now it is.
What's that?
Yeah. Okay. Where? Do you know what our location is?
Yeah, it's just a couple miles into Fallon County.
We got tennis balls. Yeah.
Oh yeah, come through and then where's the phone? Oh, right over there.
I'm blinded with that. Oh. Ooh. Wow.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is a pretty hailstorm.
Yeah, it is.
Ooh. Yeah, maybe leave that roll out.
Oh, jeez. Oh my God. We got severe wind. Oh God. Oh, there goes the wind sail. Oh crap, we're losing it. Oh my God. Ah. Oh shit. Oh no, no. Oh my. Oh, there's another one. Oh, no. 60, 70 here.
There's something on the road in front of us.
Oh, it's a deer. Oh my God. It's a deer.
Ooh.
You see it? It's, oh
Yeah,
no.
It's mangled.
It's mangled.
Okay, you're gonna want to turn towards me. They're hitting my window.
Shit. Oh no.
Ooh.
Oh no. Oh, we could help it.
How though?
What?
How?
Put it inside the car?
I guess.
Oh, that poor thing. Here. Oh, there it's laying. Are you recording it?
Okay.
Oh no, poor thing. God dang. Should I try to get it? Oh, poor thing. Oh, poor thing. Is there something I can put over it?
Maybe your coat. That's all I can think of.
Okay. Record me. I want it to be
Okay.
worth it. It's okay, don't freak out. I got it.
Okay.
Are you recording?
Yep.
Holy cow. Holy cow. Poor thing.
I think the hail's over.
Okay. Well, try to get me, I'll let it go here.
Oh. Holy sh...
Yeah, I think it's gonna be okay now. You think it's okay?
I think so. I'm gonna go out and see what I can find for hail.